Hello everyone!
Welcome back!
Welcome back to another renovation vlog. Loft Conversion Diaries we're calling it, aren't we? This is Loft Conversion Diaries vlog number 3. This is a very interesting vlog where over the course of a long weekend the loft changes from loft to
Space.
shed on top of house, I suppose, doesn't it?
That's a good one, shed on top of house.
It's really bizarre how you kind of see it change. So yeah, we're going to show you some footage over Friday when things were done quite quickly. Yeah, so that footage is coming in now. Afternoon everybody.
Afternoon.
Today is the 10th of October, Friday, best day of the week, and there's been much progress with the loft conversion. As you can see, we have a frame outside and all of the tiles are off. It's been a big day, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's starting to look like a structure.
To look like a structure, like a loft conversion.
Yeah, it's starting to look like it's meant to.
Yes, we've had some dramas today, but that's fine, we can talk through that later. But,
yeah, we've had scaffolding extended.
Scaffolding extending on one side,
Yeah.
because it stopped short of where Mark needed it, so now it should be in the right place.
So we will see you on top of the scaffolding.
Let's go up, wish me luck.
Always keep 3 things in contact with the ladder apparently. That's the health and safety. It's like muscle memory nowadays. It's getting higher.
Coming to you live from the top of the scaffolding. I made it up. I'm not very happy about it, but I'm up here. So yeah, this is currently the structure. The tiles are all off on the roof. The structure is here. Big windows will go in here and one on this side. And yeah, it's going to be a nice big space. You can see through here. Actually, if you look into the loft, the room will go right up into where those beams at the end of my finger go up. That'll be where the room goes to. So it's going to be a massive, massive space when it's all done. We really are making progress. Oh, like a teacup. I need to get rid of that actually. Yeah, tomorrow I think that the roof is going on up here, if I remember rightly. And the rest of this, oh no, sorry, tomorrow the roof isn't going on, apologies. Tomorrow, the rest of all of these internal trusses are coming off. And the flooring, I don't know what you call it, flooring, scaffolding support.
No, it's floor. It's the floor, isn't
it? Yeah, and it would basically be extended towards the end here, and that'll be done. And I'm pretty sure that should be a day's work. And then Sunday, this is coming off, and I think the other roof is going on,
yeah,
just to cover it all over. So by Sunday, we should be able to walk up in the room and have a little wander around.
According to Mark, by Sunday it will be encased.
Oh, and Anna, our neighbour's coming up to take a look.
Right.
There's more people up on the scaffolding. God, I'm petrified. Mate, lots of work done today. That up here in the new bedroom, covered by tarp at the moment just because we're finished for the day. We're protecting it from the elements, but here it is. It's looking pretty beautiful. Well, it's covered in stuff, but it's a big old space. Look who made it up into the loft. And she is. She's joined me up here in the high place.
It's very high for me.
It's very high up here, but how do you find it so far? Liking it?
I find it crazy that we've got an actual building on top of our house.
Yeah, when we first started vlogging, we were stood over here.
Yeah, we were like here, weren't we?
There's the steel above us. There's D. There's the new window, and now all those eaves have been taken up, so we can go all the way to the end.
And I said, I want to be able to walk to the end.
And there she is at the end. Woo! And there, then we're doing it. So
We're doing it.
yeah, it's coming along really well. Tomorrow, the roof is going to be finished. If I say the roof's going to be finished, the plywood and stuff's going up there where it needs to go, and the sides are going to be going on too. So we're kind of basically encasing it in tomorrow. Yeah, ready for the next steps, which are, I think, scarily cutting out holes and stuff for the stairs soon.
Yeah.
And yeah, finishing off the roof. Basically getting it watertight up here as well, actually, is probably the most important thing. Probably not the stairs. Watertight. So yeah, because we've been really, really lucky with the weather. It's not windy. It's not rainy, touch wood. It's been actually really, really good. So if we can get it watertight in the next couple of days, we'll be golden, won't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is exciting. Really exciting. So I'll be doing some more work tomorrow up here, I think. I think I'm going to be asked to help out labour because there's a lot to do. So I'll be up here. So join us tomorrow when Jake conquers his fear of heights once again. He gets up the ladder like a scared little pony. But I'm up here, woo, doing my thing. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you later.
Here we are.
Won't be open until 10 o'clock.
Right.
Bright and early on a Sunday morning. They started. Sides and roof today. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
It is the Sunday, the 12th of October, and Donna and I are in our new bedroom. We've had major progress today. As you can see, the bones of the ceiling are up. We have a wall over this side. We don't currently have a wall this side yet, but we're getting there. But we've done massive work today, and it is, I say we, I helped out for like the final 2 hours.
My brother and my uncle Leslie and Preston
they
have
worked their
worked.
socks off today.
Didn't stop.
No, they've done really, really well. See, we've got the bare bones of what looks like a room. I think the next time Mark's here, we'll finish off this wall here. And then we're looking at flooring and getting all the floorboards up. We have one
Insulation.
floorboard up at the moment, but we need more. So, yeah, and then insulation and then tiles and stuff on the outside and all that stuff. So, yeah, we're moving really, really well, aren't we?
Yeah, it's been a big day.
It's been a really big day of stuff.
And
Lots
we
of
have
things
been
going on.
so lucky with the weather.
Yeah, touch wood, it's not going to rain until a week today. So we're going to be okay, I think. We
Definitely.
can get a load done. So yeah, that's your update for the 13th. Come back for the 14th. Actually, I don't think much is happening tomorrow.
Mum,
Next coming
how
up the loft.
far is your bedroom going to go down?
Not
It's
there.
not, buddy.
Are you going to block
Yeah.
that bit?
Yeah.
That's right.
But we'll see you next time.
See you
We'll
on the
do some
next
work.
one. So there you have it. That is day, I actually don't know what day it was, but it seemed to go really quickly from what I couldn't visually see to what we have now. It came very quickly, as you saw. I think my brother spent the Thursday on his own putting sort of the outside structure like a
I
skeleton
think it was,
type thing.
Yeah.
And then
Friday, more of it went up, didn't it? Saturday, roof came off, tiles came off completely, and they rebuilt. They got rid of all of those A-frame. They called A-frames, the support beams inside the loft, and extended the floor.
yeah,
And then Sunday, roof encased. It was ready. So it really was, as I said, a shed on top of the house, wasn't it?
yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty. It was pretty crazy how quickly it went up, wasn't it? Like, we were quite shocked. Even you said how you couldn't believe you were stood at the end of that.
Yeah, so I think from what you'll see, from what you've actually just seen, if you've never seen a loft conversion process, you can really see it take shape. And I didn't realise what was needed to make that space. So the dormer, it's called a dormer.
Yeah.
So it's like the shed on top of the existing building. And how they took the roof off and then it kind of took shape. And then to be able to walk out to what was then going to be the loft conversion was pretty special.
It's quite cool, wasn't it?
And I think from then on in, it really ramped up with what you could visualise how it was all going to go.
Yeah, you could visualise like setup and where internal walls were going to be and stairs and stuff. It made it so much easier, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was quite tricky before. So yeah, that was the long weekend of, I suppose, getting the basic structure up, wasn't it?
Yeah, and that was in the video is my brother, my uncle, and my brother's friend Sean doing all of that work, and they worked blinking damn hard. And I think they started at 8 in the morning and didn't finish till 5
Don't
at
forget
night.
Moffat and Preston.
Moffat and Preston were there too.
Yeah.
Over the weekend, and it really came together.
Yeah.
And I will say, if you are having work done, having labourers that work hard, they're worth their weight in gold, aren't they, really?
Massively, yeah.
Because they didn't stop. They stopped for half an hour for lunch, and even then they carried on, really, didn't they? Just to get it done, to get it into the dry.
Yeah, I think even our neighbours were getting annoyed because they were working till quite late.
Yeah.
It is what it is. We wanted to get it done, didn't we? And I think they wanted to get it done, as you said. Labourers want to work and want to get it done, so they're up to a good point when they come back. Is really good to have, isn't it?
But yeah, that weekend was the really big push to get the structure up, and I think they did really well. And I think from what you've just seen, it was pretty spectacular.
It was very good. Big push. So yeah, next vlog's going to be interesting. We'll be talking stairs and more stuff. It's going to be fun. So come back for that one, and we'll see you then.
See you on the next one.
Bye bye.